Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. We're joined by Dean Kernott of VOLO, Cloud-Based Access Control, and we're really talking today about the benefits of cloud-based access control. Dean, how does it differ to a conventional system, and why would we go towards the cloud?
I think with cloud-based solutions, you're looking at less infrastructure. There isn't, especially with VOLO being a dual connection pathway, you have the option, if the premises and the project has the infrastructure, to plug straight onto a site network if available. But if it isn't, you can connect via the GSM GPRS modem. So you've instantly got away from the need of an IT infrastructure. We appreciate it's sometimes always there. IT departments would rather not see security sometimes sit on their network to keep that site traffic down. So you have that capability. So again, you're looking at ultimately you can fit VOLO just by giving it power. So you could go to site, make that connection, and away you go. VOLO doesn't need a network connection point for every controller. Where we RS485 data bus to our expansion units, there's not a need to have to always have a network port available for all your controllers. If you wish to do that through using a different topology with controllers, that's always there as well. So you have that versatility to look at the architecture, look at what's available, cost and technical ability of the premises of the project is going to decide how you do that for you. But furthermore, with that as well, you remove the need for a dedicated PC to manage VOLO. There's no need for on-site servers, dedicated PCs, all that very costly, heavy architecture. That's not needed because you access your VOLO database portal account through any standard web browser. So from wherever you are, anytime, any device, you access that information. So that makes things considerably easier there. So you start taking out cabling costs, installation times, those things all add up to make a very compelling, easier solution to install. With the database management, no need for antivirus softwares and updates on your database because you'll always work with the latest version of software. And so all those things contribute to a easier to install, easier to maintain, and ultimately more cost effective.
And that remote access to the system not just benefits the property developer, the property manager, or the security manager, but also our installers as well with regards to service and support.
Oh, absolutely. And you can instantly deliver that service quicker. That response time is now quicker because you haven't got the time of moving a man from site, traveling, wasted time. So the service level agreement level escalates up, and that you deliver a higher level of service, slightly more accurate as well, because it's easier to identify where the issue has arisen from. That remote diagnostics and remote management of the system make it far easier. And it also means for an installer, if you have an engineer who's on a job fitting a CCTV project and he may have to down tools and go to another, that's two jobs impacted. Here, I would still say that anybody who's been trained and become familiar with VOLO can resolve those problems. So it doesn't always have to be an engineer who may fix the problems, because people who understand the software can make that as well. So for an organization, it becomes far better that engineers can carry on doing the install work, the maintenance work where they need to be on site. But if VOLO technical issue arises, somebody in the office could deal with that process as well. So it allows better commercial performance for the installer, as well as a higher service level delivery to the end user as well.
So in short, Dean, let's roll all that together. We have cost savings in installation, time savings in installation. We're reducing the amount of data that's running through the network, becoming best friends with our IT and data managers in the building as well. Easier management of data for the security officers, for the property managers themselves, and also for our installers with regards to service and support.
And yeah, those are the real key sort of savings and performance enhancements that VOLO will offer.
VOLO cloud-based access control is available now from CIE Group. Contact your account manager or join us at ciegroup.com to find out more.